Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to compare Vivo V27 versus Vivo V27 Pro with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Vivo V27 has a 6.78 inches screen, and the Vivo V27 Pro also has a 6.78 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an AMOLED display. In the resolution, both phones comes with Full HD Plus resolution. Vivo V27 has a 388 pixels density, and the Vivo V27 Pro also has 388 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, both phones has 90.4%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Vivo V27 has 164.1 millimeters, and the Vivo V27 Pro also has 164.1 millimeters. Vivo V27 has 74.8 millimeters in the width, and the Vivo V27 Pro also has 74.8 millimeters width. Vivo V27 Pro has 7.3 millimeters in the thickness, and the Vivo V27 Pro also has 7.3 millimeters thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, Vivo V27 has 180 grams, while the Vivo V27 Pro has 182 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Vivo V27 comes with two different colors, and the Vivo V27 Pro also comes with two different colors. Now let us compare about the camera and its features. Vivo V27 has a triple camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixels macro lens. And the Vivo V27 Pro also has a triple camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixels macro lens. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Vivo V27 supports up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS, and the Vivo V27 Pro also supports up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. In a comparison of front camera, Vivo V27 comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera, with 4K video resolution at 30 FPS, and the Vivo V27 Pro also comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera, with 4K video resolution at 30 FPS. Now let's do the hardware comparison. Looking at the processor, Vivo V27 powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, while the Vivo V27 Pro powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Vivo V27 supports up to octa-core 2.8 GHz clock speed, while the Vivo V27 Pro supports up to octa-core 3.1 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Vivo V27 comes with Mali G610, and the Vivo V27 Pro also comes with Mali G610. Let's compare the operating system. Vivo V27 comes with Funtouch OS based Android 13 operating system, and the Vivo V27 Pro also comes with Funtouch OS based Android 13 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage. Vivo V27 comes in a two variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage, while the Vivo V27 Pro comes in a three variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones does not comes with the memory card slot. Let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Vivo V27 has 4600 mAh And in the Vivo V27 Pro also has 4600 mAh. Vivo V27 supports 66 watts fast charge, and the Vivo V27 Pro also supports 66 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't have NFC support. Both these phones doesn't have an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with Bluetooth 5.3 version. Let's take a look on the benchmarks. In Antutu Score comparison, Vivo V27 has scored 614,855, while the Vivo V27 Pro has scored 842,170. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Vivo V27, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 32,999, and 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 36,999. Vivo V27 Pro, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 37,999, 8GB 256GB variant is priced at 39,999, and 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 42,999. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.